we're here. This is it. It's the end of the conference. Well, at least the talk portion of the conference. Oh my goodness. It's so hard to believe that it all just flew by. Even we decided to do something different. We had it be 2 days this year, and even still, it just rocketed on past.
Yeah, I cannot believe it's over already.
We just have a few closing statements here. You had 3 goals this weekend. Make friends, learn something new, and have fun. I can only speak for myself, but I have checked all 3 of these off. It has been such an excellent weekend. I've met so many new people. I've definitely learned some things this weekend, and I can't wait to take the YouTube talks, or the talks that will be uploaded to YouTube later, and just like rewatch them and catch the ones that I missed, because they're just chock full of information. And I had so much fun too.
Yeah, it was a blast.
It was a good weekend.
Good being able to talk to all of y'all and see all the talks and the games night and everything. Yeah, super great. And speaking of all of y'all, like, those photos kept coming in. This is from, I believe, this is from day 1. And just to show y'all off again, we got even more photos today from I guess last night and this morning and this afternoon. Or I guess not this afternoon. It's still, what am I talking about? It feels like it's been a long day, but also, we just want to let everybody know before the next slide, the next slide does contain a snake. If that's not your thing, we'll let you know when that's off. But yeah, we also got a lot of pet photos in. So there's a ton of cats. There's a ton of dogs. We have a snake. I love seeing all of these come in. So.
That top right picture, it's a really weird shape for a dog. I haven't seen it before.
I've never seen that before. Also, we've moved on from the snake, so.
I just want to take a moment to share some of the feedback that we got over the course of this weekend. Thanks for putting this on. Terrific talks all around. Someone said, I signed up for this conference because of Thursday's talk, and you didn't disappoint. It's happened in my neighborhood, and your work means a lot to me. Someone else said the sessions have been great. We had one person saying, the nice thing about going to conferences such as this one is that you learn things that you didn't know you didn't know. We also had someone else say, Pythonistas, in my experience, have gone out of their way to be extra nice when I was a beginner, and to other beginners I sent their way. Some of those people are now organizing said conference today, which I had to include because it really does speak volumes about the community that we have here today. Someone else said, thank you so much, organizers and volunteers. Today was great. And then lastly, we've seen a lot of like really great and really informative things. We've also seen some things that should maybe not be done. So I wanted to share this piece of feedback. I probably wouldn't let this past code review. I think we've all been there. I also want to give special thanks to the Python Software Foundation. We had the panel from the D&I working group that was our kickoff event yesterday, and just in general, they have been such a great help for organizing this conference, managing the financial aspect of it, helping with various questions that we might have, and also the grant program that they offer. And so we just really want to give them a special thanks.
Yeah. We also want to thank all of our sponsors for this whole weekend. Without them, none of this would be possible. At our diamond level, I want to thank Microsoft Azure. I hope all of y'all got to check out their booth. It was great. I really enjoyed my time over there. Also, I want to thank all of our community sponsors, RealPython, and then also API Metrics. And also thank you to No Starch Press at the publishing level. Again, there's a coupon code that you can use over at No Starch for 25% off. It's PYCAS25. And yeah, just a short reminder My cat's losing it back there.
She's
Just a short.
excited.
I know he loves it. Just a reminder that we do have six $20 ebook vouchers. Check your emails after the event. The randomly selected winners should be receiving those.
I keep saying it, but seriously, we are beyond thankful for all the folks who made today and yesterday possible. It might surprise you, but organizing a conference is a lot of work. And organizing a conference during a pandemic is also a lot of work. Even though it's virtual, we have different sets of challenges from the ones that we would have in person. And so I just want to thank everyone who had a hand in making today great. And that does include you, attendees, because the energy and the excitement that you bring and the questions that you bring, those all are what help make this conference fantastic. I would be remiss not to mention, too, that we had a huge amount of financial aid support this year. I was blown away by these numbers. 20% of the tickets that were purchased were covered by financial aid support that people gave, which I have never heard of a conference that 1 in 5 tickets could be covered by financial aid. That blows my mind.
Awesome.
And so I just have to say thank you for those who gave financial aid support. This is just incredible.
Also, our super awesome AV team. Ryan's been helping us out behind the scenes in the backstage just for both of these days. Also with like very little sleep because he's based out of Australia and happened to pick a spot where there's Pride happening outside. So he's been amazing during all of this.
It's been an exciting time for him, that's for
sure. Chris has also been helping out. He's done all of the music that you've been hearing. That's all Chris. And then also
assets too, the like videos and whatnot.
Yeah,
those are all Chris.
And also Peter has been doing all of like the tech checks behind the scenes, making sure that like all of our levels are correct and our cameras are good before we actually get to Ryan. And Peter's been super awesome. If you liked the tunes, please check out Chris's SoundCloud, SoundCloud/CTRIX.
We still have more people to thank. We're going to keep the train going.
Yes.
Venulus, the folks behind Venulus, Pretix, and Pretalks. That's how we managed our whole ticketing system, our whole talk submission system, and the virtual conference platform that we're on today. We have to give a shout out to them and thanks for their help setting everything up. We also want to give a huge shout out to our closed captioning done by White Coat Captioning. I think this is the 3rd year that our captioner Vanessa has done PyCascades, which is so fantastic. It's just awesome to have her back, and she's done an excellent job.
Yeah, it's been great having live captions. Also, just all of our organizers, Cato, they've been helping out with all of the grants that have been submitted. They've done an awesome job with everything within that role.
Got to take a second for Ben. Ben has been our day of coordinator and also the volunteer chair, who has been sort of shepherding all of the volunteers and helping out with all of the positions that we have and all of the things that we have backstage to make things go smoothly. And Ben has just been doing an amazing job. We are so thankful for him and the stuff he's done. And on top of that, we want to give a huge shout out to our volunteers. Thank you all, our MCs, our Q&A facilitators, our Q&A gatherers, our chat moderators, our speaker wranglers, everyone. It has just been fantastic to see you all help out and do an excellent job.
Yeah, a big shout out there. Also, thank you to all of our speakers who have taken time out of their schedules to submit a talk to PyCascades in the first place, like go through that whole review process, get tech checked, and actually like either record or give a talk live, and then like be a part of the community. Huge thank you to all of our speakers. Truly, like this would not be anything without them.
And I know we had a couple of first-time speakers too, and
That's
so
true.
it's awesome that that some folks took the opportunity to give PyCascades a try, as it were, and jump on stage for us. Our code of conduct lead and our diversity and accessibility chair is Margaret, and they have just been doing a great job managing that space and ensuring that our space is welcoming and diverse and accessible for everyone who would want to join it. I want to thank our code of conduct team as well. These 4 members have been around and available, and we are thankful that they have been present for the course of the weekend.
Yeah. Big shout out to our sprints chair, who has done a lot of work to like find the teams for our for the sprints that we have coming up next. Huge shout out. I know that that's a lot of work.
And Ogie sort of jumped in at the last moment,
Yeah.
and so we're very thankful for his ability to just get up and running for that. And oh my goodness, Eliza. Eliza was with us at the very onset, and she has just been doing a spectacular job helping with the sponsorship, helping with financials. She was the one managing all of our socials this weekend, which were just lovely. The gift choice was just on point, and all of the glue that was in between. The Eliza and like all of the other organizers, we are what have made this conference possible, and there's been so much work since over the last like 6 or 8 months getting this together, and these people have put in so many hours, and we're so thankful for that.
Yeah, and like I just want to thank Madison for like being just there and like really making this train go. I feel like she has like taken this and done just so much work for PyCascades over this last like 6 to 8 months. I would not want another co-chair.
Thank you. Yeah, well, and Britt has just been so instrumental in planning this conference. It's funny because we would come up with like a list of tasks to do, and for half of them, by the time that I got to them, Britt had already done them. And so it was like we just had this great parody of jumping on whatever needed to be done.
Yeah.
So.
Thank you.
Okay. Up next, this isn't technically the end. This is the end of the talks, and just a reminder that those will be going up on YouTube shortly after the conference. But we still have one more opportunity to participate in about half an hour here. Might start a little bit a hair later after that, but we have mentored sprints that's going to take place here in Venulus. There, we're going to do some rearranging of the rooms, and so you will see a main sprint room on the left in about half an hour, and that's the one that you'll want to join for our sprint kickoff. And then we'll have a bunch of other breakout rooms for each of the 4 projects. We have Plumer, VisPy, Openverse, and Pursuit PyBear, and we're really excited to jump into those sprints.
Yeah, and I guess that's the end for the talks.
I have to not cry on stage.
I know, it feels so unreal that like all of this work that everyone has put together over the last 6 to 8 months has been, I don't know, it just ends here. It doesn't really end, but it like, so
it's the finale, the big finale of the conference. Seriously, thank you all. We hope we can see you next year. It's been a great conference, and we'll sign off for now. Hope to see you at the sprints.
Later.